Hello, my name is Karen Seymour. Welcome to my studio. This is the area I do my glass cutting, and in non-COVID times I teach my classes. Most houses it's called a dining room, but it's my studio. Glass lets me explore the color and light that I find in nature and give it functional form. I got started by making a glass top table for my backyard by appliquing cut and ground pieces of stained glass to a commercial glass top table. And then all my friends and relatives wanted one too, so I started teaching classes around the area, and my class notes eventually turned into a couple of books. About 7 years ago I got a kiln because I wanted to figure out how to make a lava tabletop. And after doing a few very thick, heavy tabletops, I've kind of moved into doing lampshades because you could get the dimensionality without having quite so much weight. Lately I've been playing around with ways to represent the classical four elements of air and water and fire and earth. And I'll probably be doing a whirlwind lamp next unless something else distracts me. Down here in the garage is where I do my fusing prep and my firing. It's also where on the first day of Refract, Thursday, October 15th, I will be hosting a tacky fusing discussion with the garage door open and masks and such. We're going to talk about what you can do at all those temperatures between your tack fusing, where it just starts to stick, all the way up to the fully melted temperatures. If you're one of those people who hasn't gotten beyond using the pre-programmed tack fusing firing schedule, this is something for you. It'll help you learn to explore some of those other textures you can get. On that Refract weekend, October 17th and 18th, I will have all my glass down here with the door open, and some of the tables and such will be out in the yard along with 3 other artists as part of the Glass and Decor Studio, yard and open garage tour. You can stop in and see us and say hi and talk glass. We'd love to see you.